Fortnite on MacBook Air. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can download Fortnite on MacBook Air. The process is simple, you just have to be at your Google of your MacBook. Currently I'm using Windows, but you have to be at your MacBook. In here you have to search for Epic Games. Now after searching, you will click on the link that says store.epicgames.com. After clicking on this link, you will be able to see their homepage. On their homepage, in the upper right corner, you will see an option that says download. Now, click on the option that says download and you will be able to download it. Now, after downloading, open the application or website, and now you will be able to buy or download any game that is available on Epic Games on your MacBook. That's pretty much simple. That's how you can do it.